We're here at Bribie at the GemLife Over 50s Lifestyle Resort, and we're here with Corey from Davey. Corey's here to just to tell us a little bit about why we ended up going with the IQ and some of the advantages behind it.
Yeah, thanks Pete. Hey, the Davey Monsoon IQ is a system which is fairly new. It's a commercial product that Davey built in Australia. The advantages of the IQ, as Pete touched on, is it's you can access the system remotely wherever you want, whenever you want as well. A few features you can have on the Monsoon IQ include you can monitor pressure, flow, and probably one of the biggest ones is energy consumption. Nowadays everyone's conscious about spending money, so the Davey Monsoon IQ will show you how much electricity your pump's using when it's in operation or when it's not.
Davey has been an integral part of our project here at GemLife, and Davey came on board to help provide us with a solution to our client wanting access to their systems, to be able to monitor their systems 7 days a week, 24 hours, and we've achieved this by using the Davey Monsoon IQ. One thing I really love about the IQ actually is the ability to isolate pumps remotely. We've had the situation where we've had to do maintenance on one of the pumps, and I was able to remotely isolate it, allowing our guys to come through and do the maintenance before they even got on site. So that's another feature that I found really helpful with the IQ.
Yeah, you're 100% right. I mean, it's downtime's critical nowadays, and I mean, obviously, if something goes wrong, a notification's sent to Pete's phone and anyone else that has access, and you guys can be on the front foot there and have the person out here fixing it basically that day or very close time. So
Davey was a big part of this project, and we want to thank Davey for their support. They offer great customer service, and yeah, just want to thanks.
Thanks mate.
Thank
Cheers.
you.